Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to take this clam shell and make a trinket dish. After you clean it all up, then you're going to want to pick out some paper. I picked out a thinner handmade paper so that it would be flexible enough to curve with the clamshell. And then I added Mod Podge. I just painted it on all the paper, and you'll feel the paper start to get soft. And so then when you press it into the shell, you can kind of press it flat. And then you trim off the edge, and then you're going to want to just add a little more Mod Podge. And sometimes it helps to clip little spots where it's folding over, and then you can just smooth it out. When it's all dry, you can add more layers of decorative paper. I picked this flocked paper design. I cut it all the way out so that it would blend in a little bit better and stick to the paper a little bit better. So I just went ahead and put more Mod Podge on the back side, and then again Mod Podge all the way over the front. When it's completely dried, I took this gold paint pen from Hobby Lobby and I just free-handed a gold edge, and it just adds a little bit to the whole shell, and that's it. And once that's dry, it's ready to be given as a gift or kept for yourself. Thanks guys, please subscribe.